It's better to look forward to prison than look forward to the grave. Is bralam seanachil, tá siad sprágúil, cliste. Ach, tá coppla ceann granmhar agus doracha fásta agus ba bhaithlam iad a roinnt. An chéad ceann na de runnacht é séamas ba bhasa bheith ina éagmas. Which means, as bad as Seamus is, it would be worse to be without him. Agus tá trua agam ar Seamus. Like, Seamus bocht. Siada ar Chiawan is na prabain ar a chathair. Silk on Siobhan and her father in rags. Ma tá aithne agad ar Seamus na Siobhan, farig bhí raibh lá. Agus coppla ceann daracha agus gramwar. Is far súil le glas na súil le hui. It's better to look forward to prison than look forward to the grave, which is just so typically Irish. Like, even if the worst is happening, someone's going to prison, they still shouldn't be complaining.
It could be worse.
You live na lias in iron wash. There's not a herb or cure in the face of death. Which is just so blunt. It's like, well, nothing's gonna save you now. Agus an ceann deada na tosach sláinte colú, deadú sláinte osna. The start of health is sleep. The end of health is a sigh. So if you need a motivation to stop sighing, I definitely will be.